Hey, where did my engine go? RZ350, guys. So the engine's out of it. And, you know, I think I've learned more in the last 5 years than I've learned in the last 25 years. So I really should have done a leak down test on this when I put the motor back together. But as Alanis Morissette says, you live, you learn. So yesterday I shot a video of my little leak down tester kit, and I had thought that the leak was coming out of the crank seal because that's where they're always leaking from, which is right here. There's one on each side. But today I discovered this. Here, turn on my light. Watch this. So check it out right here. That's that shaft you see, that's the power valve. That's the middle shaft of the power valve. Watch this. Put a little air on it. No bueno. Not a good thing. So basically that's what my problem's been with leaning out the cylinders and all the other weird stuff that's gone on with this motor. So now what? Well, I got to do a power valve seal kit, and that might, I'm just wondering, I was thinking maybe my leak is there and not at the crank seals, but I'm pretty sure the crank seals are gone too because this thing was using transmission fluid. So the transmission oil's in here, and basically if the seal's bad, it goes through in here and then it gets burned up in the cylinder. So no such luck, and since I've got it out, I might as well just do the crank seals anyways, but that means a split of the motor. So this is going to be long haul. It's going to be a long-term deal, but in all honesty, probably have it done and then back in the bike within a month. So it's an eternity to me, but anyway. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in.